Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove Classic Invert to the accessibility shortcuts on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, in here, scroll down to the bottom and in the General section, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Next, in here, tap on Classic Invert. Tap on that to remove Classic Invert from the menu or select that to add it to the menu. Now you can see here at the moment it has a checkbox right next to it. If I triple click on the side button to open up my accessibility shortcuts menu, I can see there is a Classic Invert. And if I remove it, if I remove the checkbox, then it will also remove from my accessibility shortcuts menu. And that is how you can add or remove Classic Invert to the accessibility shortcuts menu. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.